You guys are going to actually love this recipe. It's so easy, as you can see. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. So if you like food, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and also do check out my Instagram, which is Anisagrams, to see what I get up to. Now I'm going to show you a beef stir fry recipe. It's so easy with few simple ingredients. Now let's get straight into it. So guys, let me just go through the ingredients with you. So I have here 400 grams of beef cut into strips, 250 grams of noodles, now cook them according to the packet instructions, 250 grams of stir fry mixture. Now what we have is some carrots sliced up, there's red pepper, yellow pepper, red onions and cabbage. We've got about 2 tablespoons of sliced mushrooms, it's optional. Also some spring onions, I've chopped that into pieces. Also baby corn, now you can add them in whole if you like. I've cut them up. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoons of fresh red chilies, 1 teaspoon of Worcester sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Chinese 5 spice, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do is marinate the beef. Now in there, we're going to add in these ingredients. So we're going to add in the rice vinegar, sugar, salt, and you can add the salt to your taste, soya sauce, and the Worcester sauce. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to mix everything up. Now we're going to leave to marinate for about half an hour, or if you want you can also leave it overnight. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to preheat your wok, and in there we're going to add splash of oil, and then we're going to take our marinated beef and we're going to add that in. And then also we're going to add in the ginger and garlic paste, and the red chilies, and the Chinese 5 spice, and we're going to give that a mix. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to cover this and we're going to cook this until it's nice and tender. Okay guys, so this has been cooking now for about 4 minutes, and we're just going to give that a mix. And the water's also evaporated from here as well, so this is actually done now. We're just going to remove this in a bowl, and then what we're going to do is we're also going to just use the same wok to stir fry our vegetables. And then also in a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add in the noodles, and we're just going to cook that for about 4 minutes according to the instructions, and then I'm going to drain that. And in our wok now we're going to add a splash of oil, and we're going to add in the stir fry mix. So add in the vegetables. So that's the mushrooms and also the baby sweet corn. You can add a little bit of salt, and you're just going to mix that up. Now we're only going to stir fry this for about 3-4 minutes. So when that's ready, our noodles will be ready as well, and then we're going to plate it up. You guys are going to absolutely love this recipe. It's so easy, as you can see, and you guys are going to love it. So the vegetables are now ready. We're going to add in our beef and give that a stir, and then we're now ready to plate up. So what you can do is you can either add the noodles and everything in one pot and mix everything together, or you can just do it like this, where I've just got a bowl of noodles and I'm just going to top the mixture on top. And not forgetting the garnishing, of course, we're just going to sprinkle that over with some spring onion and also the sesame seeds. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give me a thumbs up, and for more delicious recipes, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.